Want a nut? Would you like to try a nut? Joe, I think it is. I think it's just cheese and I think it's just gorgonzola, the other Stracciatella cheese, and yeah, you'll be able to taste. The sewers, they can overflow, you know.
You can even...
Yeah.
Is that a web
yeah.
on the light?
It
The
will
street
be.
light?
Yeah, it is. We've got quite a few. Quaker's going to get one that's in the window. It's a massive spider web. Oh, you see, there's too much rain to sort of see. Well, we've got loads come down in a short time, haven't we?
Oh yeah, it's England,
It's still
buddy.
coming. We've not had this weather for a while. Oh, I can't make it out quite the same as in real. It always. What's that place? Oh, is that the Nettle? Oh, that place just looked like drinks, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's very dark on there. Bank buildings. There's a Cheapside. It's so cute. Look at the middle windows. Phone box, not in very good state of repair.
No. Is there a phone in it?
Don't even know. Bike shop, cafe. Age UK. Cute little steps up to that top bit. Oh. Oh. What little outside room is there? That is very curious. It doesn't seem to have a door.
No. Where's the other place? Do you know?
Well, just where we went before.
Do you know what I think we need to do?
No.
Put Weatherspoons near me.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we're doing next time, babes.
Where? Next time we're going there,
Yeah.
we're going to Mattio's.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can think about that.
We could go back to Rind if we've got any tables. I suppose we could always ring them up. The Weatherspoons might be quite far, but I want something special to read.
I know you want.
I'm so bored of Weatherspoons
I
mainly.
know you are. But it'll be a special and different one.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh, it will. It will. So cute. Vibration. Well, they usually all work the same, but maybe they're empty. bit on the hot side, isn't it? That is cosy in the rain.